Good morning, children. Welcome to math session. Children, today we will be doing chapter number 12, multiplication, and part 9. In part 8, we finished revisions, of the sum which we have already learned. Today also we will be doing revisions of the sum which we have already learned, So we will start with multiply using lattice method. The number is 56 multiplied by 2. What is the number? 56 multiplied by 2. Now here what I have done? I have split the number into 50 and 6. And 2 is a single number, so I am going to multiply with a single number. Now let us multiply. First I am going to multiply 50 into 2, but I don't know 50 table, so I will first multiply 5 2s are. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are will be 10. Then in 50 how many 0 is there? 1, so I will write 1. I will write 1 0. So 50 2s are will become 100. Now I will multiply 6 2s are. So 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Children, this is lattice method of one number, multiplying using one number. Now we are going to, what we are going to do? We are going to add this number. Wait, I'll change the brush. We are going to add this 112. I'll write here 100 plus 12. So 0 plus 2 will be 2. 0 plus 1 will be 1, and below 1 no number is there, so I'll write it 1 below. So when I add 100 plus 12, I get my answer 112. That means if I multiply 56 into 2, I get my answer 112. Understood? What is my answer? 112. Next. 69 multiplied by 7. Now here also, children, 69 I have split it into 60 and 9 and 7. Let me change the color. Now we are going to multiply first 60 into 7. So we don't know 60 table, so we will multiply first 6 7s are. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. Now I will write here 42. And how many 0 in 60? 1 0, that I will write it next to 42. That means when I multiply 60 into 7, I get my answer 420. Now I will multiply 9 7s. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. So I will write here 63. Understood, children? Now what we are going to do? Our next step is we are going to add. We are going to add this 420 plus 63. So 0 plus 3 will be 3. 2 plus 6 will be 2. 6 will add more 2. So after 6, 7, 8. So I will write here 8. Then below 4 no number is there, so I will write 4. So when I add 420 plus 63, I get my answer 483. That means when I multiply 69 into 7, I get my answer 483. Understood, children? Next. 32 multiplied by 15. 32 multiplied by 15. Now children, here also you can see I have split this 30 and 2, expanded from 30 and 2, and then 15, 10, 5. Now we will multiply. First we are going to multiply 30 tens. Now I don't know 30 table, so first I will multiply 3 1s. So 3 1s will be 3, and I have 1 0 in 30 and 1 0 I have in 10. So I will write both the 0 here. Okay, so 30 tens will be 300. Okay, now I will multiply 2 tens up. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So I will write here children 20. Okay. Now children, in the previous sum we did the sum with one digit. Now here we are having two digit. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply this 30 by 5. Okay. So I don't know 30 tables. So I will say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 10, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So I will write here 15 and 0. We have 1 0 in 30. We don't have any 0 in 5. We have only 1 0 in 30. So I will write it next to 1 5. So when I multiply 30 into 5, I get my answer 150. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply 2 5s. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives. I get my answer 10. Okay. Now let us multiply. Add. First I will write the number 300, 150, 20 and 10. Okay. Now I will add. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 2 will be 0 plus 5 will be 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 3 plus 1 will be 4. That means when I multiply 32 into 15, I get my answer 480. Okay children, understood? Now next. Now again the sum with 2 digit. Okay. In lattice method, the question is 72 into 28. Here also I have split the number 72 into 70 and 2 and 28, 20 and 8. Let us multiply now. Okay. So first I will multiply 7 into 2 because 70 is stable, we don't know. So we will multiply 7 into 2. So 7 twos will be 14. Okay. And I have 1 0 in 17 and 1 0 in 20. So I will write 1400. And then 2 into will multiply 20. So 2 twos will be 4 and 1 0 in 20. So I will write 1 0 in next to 40. Now I am going to multiply 17 to 8. So 7 8s will be 56. To that 56 I will add 1 0 that is in 70. So it will become 560. Okay. Then I will multiply 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to add 1400, 560, 40 and 6. Let us add 0 plus 6 will be 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 plus 1 will be 11. 1 I will write here, 1 I will carry over. 5 plus 4 will be 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Again 0 here and 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So what answer I get? 2016. Okay. Now next. Now multiply vertically. Now we finish multiplying by lattice method. Now we will multiply vertically. The questions are 72 into 6. The numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us start multiplying. Okay. 2 6 are. 2 6 are children 12. So what I will do? I will write here 2 and 1 I will carry over. 7 6 are. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. To that 42 I will add this 1. So it will become 43. So I will write 3 here and 4 I will write in hundreds place. So when I multiply 72 into 6, I get my answer 432. Next, 37 multiplied by 5. The numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us multiply. 7 5s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So this is 5 here and 3 will carry over in tens place. Now 3 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. To that 15 I'll add this 3. So after 15, 16, 17, 18. So I got my answer 18. So I'll write 8 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So when I multiply 37 into 5, I get my answer 185. Next, 18 multiplied by 9. Okay, so let us start multiplying. First 8 into 9. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So for 72 I will write 2 here and 7 I will carry over in tens place. 1 9s are 9. To that 9 children I will add this 7. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I get my answer 16. So I will write 6 in hundreds place and 6 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So when I multiply 18 into 9, I get my answer 162. Next, 94 multiplied by 7. Okay, so let us start. 4 7s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. So for 28 I will write 8 and 2 I will carry over in tens place. 9 7s are 9 7s are children 63. To that 63 I will add this 2. So 63, 64, 65. So I will write 5 in tens place and 6 I will write in hundreds place. So when I multiply 94 into 7, I get my answer 658. Now children, word problem. Okay. One row has 8 students. How many students are there in 26 rows? Okay, we will practice of word problem. Now one row has 8 students. In one row there are 8 students. So how many students will be there in 26 row? To find out that, we need to multiply 26 into 8. Okay, so first we will make a column, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Then we are going to write rows. How many rows? 26. Okay, so now we are going to multiply. 6 8s are 6 8s is 48. So we will write 8 and 4 we will carry over. 2 8s is 16. To that 16 I will add this 4. So 17, 18, 19, 20. So I will write 0 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. So when I multiply 26 into 8, I get my answer 208. Now I will write the answer, that is total number of students are equal to 208. Okay. So one sack has 60 kg of rice. How many kg of rice will there be in 6 rack? Now in one sack there are 60 kg of rice. Okay, there is. How many kgs of rice will there be in 6 racks? Let us see. 60 multiplied by 6. We have arranged the number according to the place value. Now we will start multiplying. Okay. 0 6 are 0. It will change the brush. Okay. 0 6 will be 0. 6 6 are 36. So I will write 6 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place. So what is my answer? 360 when I multiply 60 into 6. Okay. So now we'll write the answer. One sack is how much? 60. Okay. And how many sacks? 6 sacks. I will write the answer. There will be 360 kg of rice in 6 sacks. Understood children? There will be how many? 360 kg of rice in 6 sacks. Okay. So with this children, we finish our today's session of revision of multiplication. Okay. So children, keep practicing and keep learning. This is a revision, no need to write in your notebook. Okay. So children, bye, take care, see you soon.